Let's briefly go through how to use the Desmos matrix calculator. Okay. So let's say that I want to start building a matrix. I would click New Matrix, and it comes up where you get to edit the number of rows, so you can make it smaller or bigger. And you can edit the number of columns by adding and subtracting as you need. Go ahead and put whatever numbers you need to. I'm going to make kind of a boring one right now. And then you hit enter. From here, you can do so many different things. So let's say we wanted to multiply by a scalar. Let's say that we had -1/2 and we need to multiply that by a. So I would do -1/2 and then I would click a and convert back to a fraction by pressing the little button on the side. And that gives me my answer for scalar multiplication. Remember, you're going to be using this to check your answers. You still have to do all the work that goes with it. Let's say we needed to find A inverse. We would click A inverse and then convert to a fraction. Okay. Let's say that we need another matrix besides A. We would click New Matrix. Oops, clicked it twice. And let's say this time I want a 2 by 1. Say I'm -6 and 8. Let's say that I wanted to take A times B. I'm doing my multiplication work and I just want to check my answer. I had a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 1. The middle numbers match up, which means my result will be a 2 by 1. And you can see we have 10, 14. If you were to try to do the multiplication and it didn't work, it'll come up with a caution sign or exclamation sign saying that you can't multiply them. Let's say I wanted to do A inverse times B. I would click A inverse, and then you can put B in right away, or you could do times B, get you the same thing. And this can just keep going essentially. So let's say I needed yet another matrix. Click New Matrix, and then you can put in your numbers, whatever they may be. And then you can go through and do all the multiplications just like you would. So let's say I needed A times C times B for some crazy reason, you could do it. Okay, just make sure that you do all the work by hand and use this to double check your answers.